So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on S on your keyboard. You want to scroll down until you find sysmain. Now once you find sysmain, you want to double click on it. And then you want to change startup type to disabled and then click on stop. And then click on OK. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in task manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on the startup apps tab. And then you're going to find all the applications that will start when your computer turns on. So under status, it will say enabled. These are the ones that start up when your computer turns on, and it tells you the impact they will have. If there's any applications that you do not want to turn on when your computer starts up, then you want to disable them. To do that, you want to click on it and then click on disable. And now you want to head over to the processes tab, and then you want to click on memory. You're going to see the applications that take up the most memory. If you see an application that takes up a lot of memory and you don't use it, then you want to right click on it and then click on end task, which will then bring your memory down. But make sure that you do not end the task on the applications that say services on it. Just end it on regular applications. And now once you've done all this, you want to restart your computer and then that should fix the problem. Other than this, there's not really much you could do other than just upgrading your RAM.